Start. Feet apart. Double the hip distance. Toes pointing out. Arms above your head. Bend your knees. Swing your arms. Breathe out from your base of your throat. Okay? Or without squatting. Start. 1. Start. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. As much as you can. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Last 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. As much as you can. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. 2 minutes break. If you need some water. Okay. Surya Namaskar. You can come on top of your mat. Toes, heels together. And palms behind your back. By your sides. Palms by your sides. Gaze in front. Inhale. Namaskar. Middle of the chest. We'll try to hold the asanas for at least 10 seconds. Variation. We'll be adding few asanas. Inhale. Arms back. Arch back. Elbows back. Open your chest. Hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach towards your toes, ankles, knees where you can. With exhalation, stretch your back of your thighs. Lower back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly bring your right leg back. Right knee on the mat. Slide your hip forward. Look up. Be with your breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open both the arms. Sideways. Clamp. Push. Look up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right palm on the mat. Open your left. Twist and release your body weight. Bend your right elbow. Release. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left palm on the mat. Left leg back to your right leg. Tuck your toes, lift your hip and move to plank if you can. Head, hip, heels in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest your knees and slide back to Srirangapatna. Be with your breath. Exhale. Slide your upper body forward. Chin, chest, knees on the mat. And lift your hip up. Compress your lower back. Hold your breath. Hold your position. Be with your breath. Rest your hip on the mat. Inhale, lift your upper body till your abdomen on the mat. Or you can use your elbows and lift your upper body. Compress your middle back. Bhujangasana. Nine, 10. Palms on the mat. Inhale. Lift your upper body completely. Compress your lower back. Holding 10 seconds. Tuck your toes. Lift your hip. Lift your knees. Walk one step and try to bring your heels on the mat. Gaze at your toes. Be with your breath. Slowly bring your right leg forward, left knee on the mat. Slide your hip forward, look up, release your body weight, your legs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open both the arms, arch back, clamp, push, look up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left palm on the mat. Open your right. Twist. Release your body weight. Hold 10. 8, 9, 10. Right palm on the mat. Exhale. Left leg forward to your right. To Pada Hastasana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Ardha Chakrasana. Arch back. Hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, Namaskar. Samstiti. Relax. On to your left. Samastiti. Same sequence. Inhale, Namaskar, middle of the chest. Awareness of your breath. Inhale, arms up, arch back, elbows back, open your chest. Exhale, bend forward. Reach towards your toes. Chin up.